Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jess and this is Get Ready with Jess. So in today's video I have something so exciting. I know I'm kind of a little bit late, but I'd rather be late than never. So I've gone ahead and got the Nikkietutorials and Beauty Bay collab eyeshadow palette, and I have kind of already checked it out, but I thought I'd box it all back up just to how it came so I could show you all what it looks like when it arrives, because it is honestly stunning. Like, I'm literally obsessed with it. So this is what the box looks like it's so pretty. Has like a really nice little keyhole on the front, which is a bit like 3D, and then on the back it says, "Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello." And that's how she brings herself up. I'm beyond excited for you to finally see this, my palette in collaboration with Beauty Bay. I'm so grateful for this opportunity, and this time we're doing it right for everybody. The palette truly showcases my life and personality. You know that I'm all about bright and unique makeup colours, but this palette also shows a different, darker side of me. Can't wait to see the looks you'll create, from dark and mysterious to bold and uniquely you. This palette is my safe place, my temple, and this never would have happened without my support of my glow babies. I love you. So you can just tell how grateful she is for like all of her subscribers and stuff, because without us she wouldn't be able to be as famous as she is now. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it. And then it comes with, I've got 2 layers of bubble wrap, which is nice because that just kind of protects it from any banging whilst it's in the mail. Okay, so when I first opened it, I got this little card which says like a few little things on it. So, "Hello guys, it's me, Nikki, hello. Just want to make the most out of these gorgeous shades, so I want you to know how to master their full potential. Some of them work best when applied with a shadow brush, and to build them up, while others work better when applied with the finger. Check out the symbols on the other side to see which. Have fun creating." So this, I think, is like so clever because she's put under each name, it's got like a picture of a brush, and then she's got a picture of a finger and a brush and a finger on some of them, so it really kind of, I don't know if that's focused, I'm really sorry if it's not, but it's basically just got a little brush or a finger or both under each colour. And a lot of people don't really think that using your finger is the best, but sometimes just to get that pigmentation out, it's sometimes the best idea. And I think with this palette, that's really going to help us. So this is the front of the palette. So you've got this side, which is just all bright, and literally everybody thinks of Nikki as just wearing all of her bright eyeshadow colours, and that is just literally her. But then she's also got, like she said, her dark eyeshadowy side, where she's like amazing at doing like her smoky eyes and quite mysterious looks, which is so cool that she's put them both together. And then on the back it literally just says what it said on the box, and then we come to opening it. So it does come with the little plasticky film thing, so we'll take that off. And we open the gates. How I don't even know what to say because there's such a variety of different colours there. But first of all, before we go into the colours, let's start with the mirrors. It says "I am me" and then "you are you." We've got the mirrors, and everybody loves a good mirror in their palette because, I mean, it's just annoying for if you don't. But this is just like your normal mirror, and then you've got a zoomed in mirror. So not many palettes, I think, actually have that sort of thing. Like, I don't think I've actually really come across many palettes at the minute that don't have 2 mirrors. They've always just had 1. But if you do know any other palettes that have 2 mirrors, a regular one and a zoom in one, comment it down below and I'll check it out. But let's go in with these colours. These are just insane, like absolutely incredible. Those glitters look amazing. I'm so excited to use them. But as everybody kind of requested on my Instagram, I put out a couple of polls this morning for which look to create from here, and I kind of think that everybody wants to go for the Christmas vibes, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go for a nice, cool, cold blue, shimmery, pretty eyeshadow look. First, I am going to prime my eyelid with my P. Louise base Rumour Colour 0. So I'm going to put this on the back of my hand. It's basically like a white shade, like it's literally, this is the P. Louise shade 0, and I'm just going to dust over and get it nice and white so all these colours that we're going to be using are going to show up. Let's go crazy. I bet I look so pale right now. Okay, so now we begin the fun. Gonna be dipping in with the blues today with a bit of the blue shimmer and this one here. So there's gonna be quite a few different things going on, but it's all gonna be like a nice cold icicle ice queen sort of look. So now we've primed our eyelids, I'm going to go in with my M139 Morphe brush and I'm going to dip into this one here. And I'm just going to use this to go round my crease. Excess. Oh yeah, that is a pretty colour. So pretty. You kind of don't want to tap off too much though, because I mean, given that not that much of a rub, and a good amount of excess comes off, which is, you know, it's not a terrible thing, but it's not great. So far, I think it's just the amount of excess that comes off when there just doesn't need to be that much. But other than that, the colours look great. Oh my god, I literally love this colour. Oh, I don't know if you can really tell, but it is so pretty. I'm going to take my blending brush. Okay, so we're just going to be dipping into shade Amsterdam. Okay, so now I'm just going to dust that over the top. And just building it up nice and gradually, bit by bit. Tell you what, that actually worked. That just worked a lot better, just stabbing it straight on, than just building it up in the corner, layer by layer. Yeah, I mean, there is a good amount of fallout. So it's always best as well to just go back over with your original starting colours. Also, don't worry about if you get it on your actual lower lid, because we're going to be cut creasing it, so don't worry if it actually goes on there, it's really not the end of the world. I mean, I'm not impressed with like this fallout that's going on here, like that's just annoying. So just for a little bit more depth, because there's not lots of blues, I'm just going to go in with my Huda Sapphire Obsessions palette. Now this has got some gorgeous, gorgeous blues, so I'm just going to quickly dust over with a couple of those just to get that definition into where I kind of need the light and dark to be, just to get the blue looking a bit more, give it a bit of depth. I've got a lot of cut creasing work to do. Oh, now that's annoying. So it's gone a little bit patchy, just like on this corner, which is just not what we need. Okay, let's get this crease cut and neaten it all up again from my P. Louise collection that I bought. Put that on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe rounded cut crease brush. So this is the one I like to use. I mean, you can use a straight one, but I always find that this one's always better for when it actually gets to like the curve. So I usually just kind of stick with this one now. And then you're just going to pat that on. Okay, so we've done our first layer of cutting our crease, and then we're just going to move on. I've just given my brush a wipe as well, just so it's got all of that blue off, ready for the second layer. I love having like a really nice white base in the inside corner. I think it looks stunning. love how easy these are to blend out with my finger. So I'm pretty happy with how light it is on my inside corners. So just to set that, I'm going to go in with one of my Kiko brushes. It's just got a really flat end head to it. Yeah, so I'm going to go in with this colour here. So I'm going to try a stiffer brush because I have a feeling that when I watched a video on this palette earlier, there was a girl that said she struggled to get the pigment out on like a really light brush when she just wanted to kind of like dust it in the corner. So I have a feeling we need reinforcements with a stronger brush. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh, hang on. Yeah, that's annoying. Right, let's try my finger. Okay, so it's much better with my finger. But my nails are so long for my finger. Oh, that looks so pretty though, you can't even lie. Ooh. Ooh, girl. I'm shining. Oh my god, I'm actually obsessed. Oh, I love it so. Just gotta keep kind of layering it a little bit. Oh, there we go. There we go. So hard to get it on the inside of me. Oh god. Oh. No. 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 This is a sign I need to cut down my nails. If I try my bullet brush, that might work. Oh yeah, that's work. I'm gonna go in with Nikkietutorials colour, which is this really nice, this one here. How stunning is that? That's what we're going in with. Prepare for fallout. Oh. Guys, I think I actually just died and went to heaven. This is so nice. We need more. Let's get some more on that. Yes. I'm zooming in. This is a zoom in moment. I'm sorry, but that is like insane. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. This is literally my new favourite colour. I don't even care. I'm literally obsessed with that. Oh, I still get to do the other eye. I'm so happy. The novelty has not worn off. Oh my god, I'm actually obsessed with this. Now I'm just going to go in with a smaller blending brush, like this. Then I'm going to take out my Huda palette and I'm going to go in with this colour at the bottom here. And I'm just going to dab that on the outside corner. Just blend that in with the other side. I feel like everything that's gone off at the minute, I just feel like really bad about. Like I feel so anxious all the time and I don't know, like it's just really starting to kind of dwell on me, this whole second lockdown thing. So I feel like it's all I have to look forward to at the minute is just getting a new phone. So I am really excited actually. I'm literally buzzing. That's probably going to be me waking up as if it's like a Christmas morning, getting my new phone. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe E18 brush. It's just like another bullet brush. So I'm going to go in with Plot Twist, which is the really pale blue that we went in with first. And I'm just going to dab that in my lower corner of my eye and just kind of blend it up a little bit into this blue. Oh, there we go. We've got a bit of glow. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the deepest blue that we used very first from her Nikkie's palette. And we're just going to dust it underneath. I'm also going in with my Morphe M455 brush. And this is like a really nice like stern brush for something like this. Like, just because now we're going to go in with the pale blue again. I'm just taking a bit of my Jeffree Star Sarcophagus highlighter. I'm going to just dip in with that just to go round and highlight my brow bone. Okie dokie, so I've just gone under and like sharpened all underneath here just to make it all nice and pretty and straight and sharp. So now I'm just going to go off camera and do my eyeliner and lashes, and I will be back. Okay, so we stuck on our lashes and we've done our liner and we have completed our eyes and eyebrows and stuff. So just to kind of finish off, I'm going to go in with my bronzer and just kind of brighten up the whole look. So because it's kind of like a bit of a chilly winter, I tell you who's got a great blusher. Nikkie. She has Blend and okay. Now I don't know how pigmented this is, so that's pretty cute. We're not done there yet though. Just kind of dusted that everywhere just to kind of give myself a little pinky tone. Okay, so we have finished highlighting, we finished bronzering, we finished our lips. I just kind of went off and did those with my Pillow Talk Charlotte Tilbury liner and my Pillow Talk Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. So that actually completes today's video. I literally can't even, I'm honestly shocked at how amazing this palette is. Like, it is really, really good. Despite the fallout, I don't actually have any problems with this. Like, the pigments are there, the colour is there, everything about this palette is there. She's delivered. $24.95 it was, I think, on Beauty Bay. So if you did like this look, please, please, please let me know. Like, I literally love to hear everybody's feedback about what they'd want to see, if they want something a bit more Christmassy, because I mean, we're going into November, it's starting to come like a bit wintry, so we just kind of kick off with a nice Ice Queen sort of vibe. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. I will tag this in the description so it's easy to find. I'll tag any of the products that I've used today as well, you know, just their shades and where you can get them from. And that's all we have time for, so I'll see all of you guys later. Bye!